Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we've got a little demo video going here of this nice Cusinart Burr coffee grinder. It's just like the one I use. You'll notice it's very easy to change the coarseness of the grind. All you do is turn the hopper right there. Of course, this will hold quite a bit of coffee. And this is to demonstrate that it's working good. You know, there you go. That goes in there. There we go. Now, this right here, there's a little gauge on there about how much it will grind. I don't pay a lot of attention to that. I just measure it out of there. So here's the demo. Look at that baby there. I don't know if you can pick this up, but that's black down, nicely fine brown coffee right down there in the bottom. It works great. It's in great condition. Take a look at the still. You know you're going to love it. See what I mean? Look at that beautiful coffee. Guatemalan, you just can't beat it, man. Thanks.